Hello guys, welcome back to the next video of the GoLang series. And in this video we will see how we can set up the VS Code for the GoLang development, and we'll write our first program, that is hello world, and we'll see how Go execute that program. So the very first step will be open our VS Code and then click on extensions. We'll search Go and we'll open the very first extension and we'll install. I have already installed it. You can click on install. So we have to also install the GoPLS. GoPLS is the GoLang server that is used for finding out the error codes or the code recommendation in the VS Code. So you have to install that. I was getting this pop-up into my VS Code to install it, and if you are not getting it, I will paste the command in my uh, description, in my video description, and you can install from there. So after installing the VS Code and Go PLS server, you are ready to go. We'll write our first program, the hello world now.